Crews are preparing tonight for the possibility, with all these winds, of down power lines and power outages. NBC4's Dan Perlman joins us now live. Dan, I know it's relatively calm outside right now, but with that change coming in the next few hours, they're probably getting prepared out there, right?
Yeah, Dave, they absolutely are. You know, relatively calm is a good way to put it. You can see the flags blowing in the wind along the Scioto Mile right over here, lightly blowing. We're not really seeing those strong gusts quite yet, although a number of people are prepared for what's headed our way. Ahead of the first round of rain,
I wanted to get out before the storm came.
Stephanie told me what she'd be doing before the high wind blows into town.
And we usually put everything that, you can move, that moves around in the garage.
The wind is expected to intensify over the next few hours, something those at AEP Ohio are watching closely as well.
We've been watching the weather reports, as like I think everybody else is.
And Dave Callahan tells me some crews will be out tonight responding to any downed power lines. In the event of there being overnight outages, he says those may have to wait until there's daylight so crews can safely restore power, but the high winds may impact that effort.
Our bucket trucks can't go up in winds over 30 miles per hour, so they'll have to do any work they can do from the ground first, and then as we get those winds subsided down a little bit, we'll get up there and get some more work done.
Jeff Young, the Franklin County Emergency Management and Homeland Security Director, is offering this advice today.
I'm reminding the public that this is a good time to check the alerts and notification settings on your mobile devices.
That's something Stephanie intends to do as this springtime storm moves our way.
I mean, it's Ohio weather, it's springtime, so obviously it becomes a little bit more volatile, especially if it's like warm and cold meeting against each other. So we're just trying to stay prepared.
And Young also says it is a good idea to make sure your phone is charged as we head into the evening and overnight hours. If you see downed power lines, stay away from them. You can report those, and you can report power outages to AEP. The information to do that is on our website. That's NBC4i.com. Local for you in Columbus, Dan Perlman, NBC4.